And here we are finally. This video is how to practice using My Choral Coach now that you have been exposed to the tools at hand. So I'm not gonna keep going with All Ye Who Music Love. I'm gonna shake it up and go with Ballet Laka. Okay. So I would suggest going, oh wait, I can view as pages too. On the iPad, you can view as pages rather than that other view. So, first things first, do not try and go at tempo at first when you're singing. However, you should listen to it at tempo at first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark a section to start, and we're going to mark off this entire beginning portion until that 6-measure rest in the tenor part. And we're going to hit rewind, and we're just going to listen to what it's supposed to be. All right. So, now that I've heard what it's supposed to sound like, what you should do is go into the tempo setting. I'm going to drop it all the way back to 60%, which in this case is 78 beats per minute. And I'm going to take a quick listen to orient myself, and then I'm going to try singing along just to see what happens if I sight read through. So here we go. So I notice I'm not recording. I'm just going to sing along. Suryano chandirano yarivano satana solu sera pandiya surano miyano solu solu satana solu Suryano chandirano yarivano satana solu sera pandiya surano miyano solu solu satana solu. By the way, for the record, I was messing up on purpose in the beginning and sounding unsure, trying to emulate a high schooler. Anyway. Sorry. After you feel like you have mastered it at 60%, and honestly, this section, I don't know why I made it so big, it's the same thing twice. So I'm going to make this section smaller so that it makes more sense for this video. Back to the beginning. Once you feel like you've mastered it at that tempo, then give the recording a try. Suryano chandirano yarivano satana solu sera pandiya surana mivano solu solu satana solu. Hey, cool. That makes me feel good. So, notice though too, so like all of my scores on the bottom are green. I got that exact length all set. My pitch was a 95 out of 100. My rhythm was a 98 out of 100. My overall though is a yellow score because it's not at the tempo that's requested of this assignment. So and the message even says, good job, try singing a bit faster now. So once you if you don't get at least an 80 at the slow tempo, keep going and working on that. So I'm going to hit close. What you could do is isolate those spots that are not green. So I'm going to isolate just this one section right here and listen. Which is not actually what I want to do. I'm going to hit rewind. Why won't it let me record again? No, stop it. Whatever. So I'm going to actually reset the section, okay? Because then it would let me go back for recording. But so what you would do is you can mark that section smaller. Well, hold on. Stop. Yep, that's nice. So now it's gone. So what you would then do is mark the section. So like I memorized that this was that section that was a problem. So then I can just, hey, no, not you, get out of here. Y'all ever just have one of them days in life? There. Jeez. So then you just listen to that section. Chandirano ya riva no, and you fix those sections independently. Then you record again. Oops. Oh, good. That whole section and go until you get at least that 80. Now, once you get that 80, that's when we cut up the tempo. Let's jump it up to 70% tempo now. And listen to Orient. And then maybe sing along one time before recording, and then record it at that tempo. I'm just going to skip the second line to make things faster. Bum. Surya no Chandira no Yariva no Satana solu Sera Pandya Sura Numiva no Solu Satana solu. I know I was a little sharp on one spot. So again, good score, perfect rhythm, perfect the length. I got that whole length. The pitch was a little worse this time, but that's okay. I knew that was going to happen. And then it says try singing a bit faster now again. So it's still not saying that it's totally good to go. You can also click on this bar down here to see what you did wrong. So yeah, I knew I got that note wrong. Oh, I guess I was a little flat there. Very flat there. Thanks, app. Very flat there. Moderately sharp. Well, pick. You gotta tell me which one it is. No. Anyway, hitting back. We're going for tempo. You know what I'm about to do. Go up to 80%. So I'm just hitting record twice to get rid of what I had there before. Same deal. Surya no Chandira no Yariva no Satana solu Sera Pandya Sura Numiva no Solu Satana solu. Cool. Again, happy score, little faster. And as you get faster, if you find yourself struggling to keep the tempo, yeah, well, to heck with you too, Balelaka. No, you're a great song. Then you can go in and add the metronome in instead of the follow me, so that way you can have the metronome helping you stay in time. So let's go to tempo, 90%. Here we go. Surya no Chandira no Yariva no Satana solu Sera Pandya Sura Namiva no Solu Satana solu. And then there we go. Where are the details? Details. This one was asking for an 80% tempo goal, or 100%. This isn't 100%. I was at 90. So anyway, it'll let you know in that message when it's happy with your tempo. We're going to go to 100. Yeah, that's nice. And for your listening pleasure. Oops, here we go. Surya no Chandira no Yariva no Satana solu Sera Pandya Sura Namiva no Solu Satana solu. You notice my pitch score was going down as I kept going? Yeah, me too. So if you're like a perfectionist about these things, don't be a perfectionist about this, because the technology is not perfect. But like if you're sitting there going, that 91, man, I wish that was higher, you can retry it as many times as you want, and it'll be all good in the hood. I don't know why I said that. Happy practicing. I can't wait to hear you all singing. It's going to be a wonderful day.